This video is going to show you how to pair the Qolsys panel with your phone for Bluetooth disarming. So to get into programming, pull this tab down, go to Settings, Advanced Settings,
user code.
Put in the master code, tap Bluetooth devices, add phone, and make sure your phone is in pairing mode. And once the panel syncs with your phone, tap the device and it starts the pairing process. This code will pass through to your phone. Make sure that it matches. Tap pair. And if you want the phone to disarm when it's in proximity to the panel, make sure allow disarming is selected. Tap save. And you have now paired this phone with the panel, and now once the panel is in proximity with the phone, it will disarm the panel for you automatically, hands-free.